this time I am getting bored to make the videos and all, because to teach an empty class is very difficult for a teacher. You can see video easily, but for a teacher it's very difficult to make the videos, teach you without. See, you all are not here. We have to image you people over here. So it is very difficult, because that is the fact that you all are not here. But what we can do? We can't do anything. So once again, a very welcome to you all. And yes, you have already seen the two parts of chapter number 4, our festival. Chapter number 4, our festival. This chapter is going on, and you already have seen two classes which is based on two videos which is based on this chapter. Now this is part number 3. This is part number 3 which you are going to see. Okay. So in the last two classes I told you that one class to you have seen before Independence Day. So I told you that you have to draw a nice wonderful picture of our national flag, because national flag is the pride of each and every Indian. Okay, so we already had a discussion about the festivals. Yes. Once again I am going to take a small recap. There are 3 types of festivals which all the Indians are celebrating: national festival, religious festival, and of course harvesting festivals. Okay, so national festival mein we had a discussion on Independence Day. I told you that Independence Day means the freedom, and freedom means what? Freedom means we all got freedom from British rule. Before independence, Britishers were ruled on us, and we need to follow all that rules and regulation which is made by the Britishers. Okay, so 15th August 1947 is a day when we got freedom. And dear students, I want to tell you that this freedom is not very easy to us, because lots of sacrifice, lots of lives, lots of people sacrifice their each and everything, their lives, their homes, their families, each and everything. Then we got this freedom, है ना? So I told you that in Delhi, on the Red Fort, Prime Minister of our country always hoist the flag, and the Prime Minister of the country address the people from that Red Fort. Okay. Now today we will discuss the second Republic Day, the second national festival, Republic Day. Okay. This Republic Day is another a national festival which we all Indians are festival. This is our national festival which we all Indians are actually celebrating. So what are the celebrations? Why we all are celebrating Republic Day? What type of celebration is there on the Republic Day? Each and everything we will discuss on that. Okay, so first I am going to read whatever is written in the book. This wala paragraph, Republic Day, whatever given in the book, I am going to read for you. Then step by step I will make you understand. Okay, so let's start reading along with me. The Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. Once again, the Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. So Republic Day we all are celebrating on 26 January every year. ठीक है? We all people, all the Indians are celebrating Republic Day on 26 January every year. On this day in 1915 India became republic. On this day, on this day, on this day, in 1915, keep this year also memorize, keep this year also learn. Okay. On 26 January 1950, India became republic. Republic means that has to be adopted its own constitution. Okay, so this is an important thing which you are going to learn first time. So make it underline about the constitution. On this day in 1950, India became a republic, and republic means that has adopted its own constitution. This word constitution you are going to hear first time in this class through this chapter. So constitution, CONSTITUTION, constitution means what? Constitution means what? Now this word is new for you, so you are thinking that, ma'am, what is the meaning of constitution? Okay, this word constitution you are going to hear first time. So meaning of constitution is that how to rule on a country. All the rules and regulations are written in this constitution, and Indian constitution is made by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. And Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar's birthday, we all Indians all are celebrating on 14th April. Each and every year you have a holiday on 14th April. So have you ever think that why you got the holiday? What is the special day? Who is Mr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar? What he had done for us? Have you ever think about that? Holiday मिल गया, that is you all, it means you all are feel good. No, it's not like that. Okay. So meaning of constitution, move on and discuss about the meaning of constitution. So meaning of constitution, that, see dear students, you all are the students of GPS. Okay. GPS is an institute. Okay. Okay. Ab principal sir and the management. Principal sir and the management, they are the head of this GPS institution. Are you agree with me? Who are they? They are the head of the GPS institute. Okay. So whatever rules and regulations they will make for us, we need to follow these rules and regulations. है ना? समझ में आया आपको? Are you getting my point? Are you understanding that whatever rules and regulations made by the principal sir and the management, we need to follow it, whether you students or we teachers or non-teaching staff, each and everybody, those who are the part of this GPS family, that needs to be follow those rules and regulations which is made by the principal sir. Okay, this is the talking about the school campus. Now I will give you another example so you can understand in a better manner that each and every house has some rules and regulations. ठीक है, आपके घर पे भी at your homes your mama your papa made some rules, and that rules you need to follow to run your family smoothly, है ना? And as like school, in school principal sir and the management, they made some rules and we need to follow all those rules to make the school run smoothly. As like that, your parent, your mama and your papa both will make some rules, and that rules need to follow you to run your family smoothly. Okay? So as like that, when you will go on the road, on the sadak, on the street, so there are red light signal is there, it means we have to stop. Green light says you have to go, you are allowed to go, and yellow light indicates that you have to stop, है ना? And we are not allowed to break all the rules, all the traffic rules. No, we can't break it. If we will break it, then we will get the punishment from the traffic police side. Definitely we will get the punishment. So as like that, as like school, as like your house, as like the traffic rules, when you will go to the shopping mall for shopping purpose, there are some also rules which you need to follow, है ना? And when you will go in the garden, so some quotations are written on the garden that do not pluck the flower, do not split here and there, do not throw the garbage here and there, use dustbin. All these simple quotations are written each and every place. So we common people always follow all these rules and regulations. Why? Because if we will not follow those rules, we will get trouble. ठीक है? So as like that, जैसे स्कूल को चलाने के रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस होते हैं जिनसे स्कूल प्रॉपर चलता है, हम सड़क पर जाते हैं तो ट्रैफिक के अपने रूल्स होते हैं that we need to follow, और ट्रैफिक का जो काम होता है that will go smoothly. As like that, India is a very big country, India is a very diversified country, and it is very difficult to run a country in a smooth manner because there are so many types of people are living over here, so many religions, so many communities, and each and every religion has its own rules and regulations, each and every community has its own rules and regulations, and they are following those rules. But इनसे भी ऊपर एक रूल होता है, that is the law of the nation. कानून, देश का कानून होता है, that is the law of the nation. So everybody, every person, those who are the citizen of the country, they should follow those rules, and that is the our constitution. हमारे देश को चलाने के लिए भी जो रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस बने हुए हैं वो उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मेंशन है. Each and everything is mentioned in our constitution. Okay, so that is the definition of the constitution. When you will go in further classes, you will come to know more things about our constitution. Here though you will keep one thing is in your mind, that constitution means some rules and regulations. Some rules and regulations are written in this constitution. Each and every person, each and every citizen of our country need to follow these rules, and all these rules is made by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and all the leaders, all the politicians, they need to follow all these rules to make our countries run smoothly, to make our country run smoothly. Okay, so now the meaning of, I am hoping that the meaning of constitution is very much clear to you all. In Hindi, constitution is called Samvidhan, and in English, constitution is constitution, and in Hindi, the another name is Samvidhan in Hindi. Okay, now the next line, the next paragraph I am going to read. Previously it was ruled by the Britishers, है ना? अब previously it was ruled by the Britishers, and the main function of the Republic Day is held on the Rajpath in New Delhi. कहाँ पर होता है this function? Independence Day always celebrates on the Red Fort, New Delhi. Independence Day always celebrates on the, yes, where? On the Red Fort, Lal Kile pe, and Prime Minister hosts the flag. And Republic Day, the grand function is held on the Rajpath in New Delhi. And what kind of celebration is there on the Republic Day? So a grand parade is taken out from Vijay Chowk. Vijay Chowk is a place that is located in New Delhi, and from there that grand parade starts, and that grand parade held on that Vijay Chowk. Vijay Chowk is a place on New Delhi. Our armed force, school children and folk dancer take a part in that parade and jhanki from different states, showing their achievements from a big attraction of the parade. See, on the Republic Day there are huge function. There is a grand function on Republic Day, because on the Republic Day we all are showing our power, our strength, what we achieved from 1947 to till the date. Whatever achievement we had got, each and every achievement, each and every power, all the army power, all the air force power, all the navy power, we will show on the Republic Day. And all states make their jhankis, whatever development they got, they made the jhanki that is based on that development which all the state governments has done in their states. Okay. Now the main attraction of Republic Day is the grand parade. The grand parade with jhanki. And we always invite our international guests on this Republic Day. We always invite our international guests, मतलब विदेश से हमारे देश में गेस्ट आते हैं, ठीक है? And all the government buildings, Rajpath, Bhavan, they illuminated with lights. बहुत सुंदर तरीके से राष्ट्रपति भवन को और विजय चौक को सजाया जाता है. राजपथ को, विजय चौक को बहुत सुंदर तरीके से सजाया जाता है, ठीक है? अब some questions are clicking is in your mind that ma'am, what is constitution? Ma'am, what is the meaning of republic? है ना? These questions will definitely celebration वगैरह तो आपको सब समझ में आ गया. You have seen so many times in news channels also the celebration of Independence Day as well as the celebration of Republic Day. But you don't know the meaning of Republic Day. है ना? If you will in the classroom, then definitely you will ask me the meaning of Republic Day. So Republic means what? Republic यानी क्या होता है? What is the meaning of Republic? So the meaning of Republic means on this day actually we got our own power. We got our own power. Power of equality, power of justice, power of fraternity, and we got the power of citizen also. इससे पहले we all are तो Indian, but we don't have any power of equality is were not there. Power of justice were not there. Power of fraternity were not there. ठीक है? Power of citizen was not there. हम सब इंडियन तो थे, लेकिन हमको ब्रिटिश का झंडा फहराना पड़ता था. ब्रिटिशर्स के रूल्स रेगुलेशंस मानने पड़ते थे. ठीक है? अभी जी टीवी पर एक मूवी आएगी अक्षय कुमार की गोल्ड. उस गोल्ड मूवी में वो हॉकी पर बेस्ड मूवी है. अभी हॉकी में इंडिया ने ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता है ओलंपिक में. वो बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है इंडियंस के लिए और इंडियन हॉकी टीम के लिए. सो फर्स्ट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल द इंडियन हॉकी टीम. एंड उस गोल्ड मूवी में ये बताया है कि जो पहले जो हॉकी खेलते थे प्लेयर्स, तो वो क्या करते थे? वो खेलते तो इंडिया से थे, लेकिन ब्रिटिश का उनको फ्लैग फहराना पड़ता था. अभी तो इंडिया ने ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता तो इंडिया का नेशनल एंथम बजता है, इंडिया का नेशनल फ्लैग वो लोग ओढ़ते हैं, इंडिया का नेशनल फ्लैग होस्ट होता है. लेकिन बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस डे, बिफोर रिपब्लिक हमको ब्रिटिशर्स का झंडा होस्ट करना पड़ता था, फहराना पड़ता था. सिटीजनशिप। ठीक है, ठीक है, समझ में आया? सो फिर समझ में आई इतनी बातें? समझ में आया रिपब्लिक का मीनिंग? होप आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा। ठीक है, अब आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द रिपब्लिक डे एंड द इंडिपेंडेंस डे। ठीक है, नाउ वी विल हैव द डिस्कशन व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंडिपेंडेंस डे एंड रिपब्लिक डे। इंडिपेंडेंस डे वी ऑल आर सेलिब्रेटिंग ऑन 15th August because we got freedom from British rule on 15th August 1947. ठीक है, and Republic Day we all are celebrating 26 January and we got our constitution on 26 January 1950. ठीक है, on Independence Day the Prime Minister of our country he hosts the flag on Red Fort, New Delhi. ठीक है, on Republic Day the President of our country, Rashtrapati, the President of our country hosts the flag on Rajpath. ठीक है, and the grand celebration is there on Republic Day, a huge parade, and the Indians are showing our power of army, power of navy, power of air force. ठीक है, and in this great celebration all the government buildings are decorated very nicely. All the government buildings are decorated very nicely. Rashtrapati Bhavan also. And this function will go on 1 or 2 days. 3 दिन का होता है फंक्शन और मेरे ख्याल से 28 जनवरी को इसका समापन होता है। द क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी होती है वो 2-3 दिन के बाद होती है, वो भी बहुत शानदार होती है, देखने लायक होती है। I have seen on news channels that closing ceremony of Republic Day. Okay, so hope आपको जो भी डिस्कशन किया होगा that discussion you can understand nicely. ठीक है, so for in this class this much discussion is I think it's enough for you because when we will learn so many things in one class we get confused. And I don't want to make you confused and I don't want to make the videos very big because I can understand that watching the long videos it's quite bore for you also. Okay, so till then bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all, keep yourself fit, fine and pay attention towards your studies, and soon we will meet once again and then we will discuss on some other national festivals also. Okay, so it's time to say bye bye from my side. So bye everybody, bye bye.